Hey, you want to do that thing we do on the front of the bow where you hold me and I like pretend like we're flying?
That'd be so much fun.
I think the best idea is probably to sit down, huh? No, I guess I can stand. I'll stand. This is shit. This is gonna be a shit show.
Do you stand when you pee, or do you sit?
I usually stand when I pee.
I sit in the morning.
Sometimes
like
I
don't
sit.
think I can make
Sometimes I sit in the morning.
You know?
Sometimes I feel you on that though. I sit in the
Fuck, man,
morning.
I just woke up. I gotta sit down for a minute.
Sometimes I do sit. No shame in that.
Once they get it out there, see if they need some help.
All right, ready?
One is just never enough. All right.
Okay, here we go. Oh wait, hang on. I'm in manual mode. 20 degrees.
Oop, there we go.
Got some really good shots at this location. We didn't lose it. Buzzing around the jet skis, pretty fun. Good cameraman. We washed up on shore here a little bit. We are somewhat stuck. It still counts. This still counts as flying from a boat, just so you're clear, because I landed it on the boat. All right, next spot. We're able to tail the pirate ship, come all the way down, found some dolphins, stay close enough to the water. First time flying on a boat that's actually moving, definitely a lot more difficult than it looks because you have wake and everything, and if you don't have enough people on the boat to hold you down when those wakes are coming, you're gonna go bouncing around and you may lose the drone. So I don't know how the footage is gonna look. I'll have to see when I get back to the house, but first impression, that was awesome. Landing the FPV drone on a moving object is nothing like a Mavic. You do not have the option to sling it into your hand without going to the hospital. That's just the thing. But we were able to go out in front of it and let it drift towards me, and that was the easiest way to catch it. So if you're gonna take it on a boat, make sure you're going towards your object, drift towards it. Don't try to bring it to you because you're just gonna battle with it, and it doesn't operate in the same fashion that a Mavic does. So overall, pretty awesome.